Good afternoon. It's really great to be here. My name is Alberto Rodriguez Navarro. I am a surgeon turned entrepreneur. I am originally from Chile, from Latin America. I work almost 10 years in the busiest public hospital in Santiago in Chile. And being a surgeon, we had like thousands of patients waiting for surgery. Most of the time, we're doing surgeries on complicated cases because we were not able to do the surgery in an elective basis. So with this problem, I decided to how we can use a new technology or how we can use technology that is available in order to solve this problem. I decided to stop my clinical practice. I moved to San Francisco and have been very fortunate to gather a team of professionals that share the passion and the energy to change things. Early on, we figured out that using magnets was a very innovative and efficient way of being able to do the procedure with less incisions. I want to show you. And now we're taking the company based on that core technology to a next level because we're combining with robotics in a more full solution in order to do surgery better. So our mission is to improve patient outcomes and increase access to surgery for millions of patients worldwide. This is a solution that would change surgery, and that's our goal. For patients, what this means better outcomes is fewer incisions, less pain, a faster recovery. We achieve that using our magnetic technology that reduces the number of incisions. And for the surgeons, it's the capability of doing more cases per day. We provide a platform that improves visualization, speed, and control in order for the surgeon to do a better job. What we have done up to today, we are based in Silicon Valley. As I mentioned, I moved from Santiago to San Francisco. We developed the core technology that enables less incision. We had a first product that is on the market. We have 4 commercial indications. The first one was a de novo that we were able to create the category for the FDA. We developed the magnetic surgical instruments for the FDA. Then we got indications for obesity. First one was for gallbladder. Then we get obesity, colorectal, and prostate. And so far, we have done more than 3,000 commercial cases here in the US that we have been able to prove that reducing the number of incisions is beneficial for the patient in terms of reduction of pain. And also, this is a link to a shorter length of stay. We are the first mover in this space, so we have a very strong IP protection. We have spent a lot of energy in terms for really protecting the space. We have more than 50 patents. Half of them are already granted, so we know that we own the space. We have done cases and collaborated with the big academic centers here in the US. And also we have approached the media because we see that this is a big component of patient perception about our benefits. And we are very pleased to see that people really recognize the benefits of what we are doing. And this is our next stage. This is our robotic platform. It's a very compact, very usable platform. For one side, we leverage our proprietary magnetic technology that enables the reduction of incisions. And the other way, we took what is the best of the robotic platforms in the market, that is the control of the camera, with a very stable camera controlled by the surgeon. We develop a foot controller so the surgeon can have the 2 arms on the patient. And as I mentioned before, there is very small, very compact, thinking for small ORs, also that you can really move easily. So the advantage of this platform is first, the surgeon is next to the patient. That's a big difference compared to any other robotic platforms. It's console-free. I believe that being next to the patient in the stereo field is safer because if for any problem, you are right there in the stereo field. Also, as the system gives full control to the surgeon, you don't need an assistant. So also there's a reduction in labor required. The cases are performed with fewer incisions. We know that because we leverage our magnetic technology. It's designed to have a very fast learning curve, very quick setup, because this is designed for high volume GI surgeries where you have to have a very fast turnaround. It's perfect fit for an outpatient ambulatory surgery. And we have a very straightforward FDA clearance expected for early next year. We already have a clinical level product that we will do our first in man in the next month. We conduct our clinical trials in Chile because that's where I came from. So we are very confident that we will be able to have this product very soon in the market. And here you can see it's a 2 robotic arm. One of the arm controls the cameras that right now we are using just off-the-shelf scopes. And the other one is using our proprietary magnetic technology that enables to create a traction without using incisions. The value proposition for the patient is very appealing because it's less incision, less pain, accelerated recovery, and better cosmesis. For the surgeon, you give more control. For the surgeon, have everything and being able to, under his control is much better. You have better visualization, and also you don't rely on your assistant. For the providers, it's also very clear the value. You reduce labor. You enable the shift to ambulatory surgery on a patient basis, and also this will increase the access to patients. But what we have next, we want to incorporate artificial intelligence. We want to do this even a better assistant for the surgeon. We have a lot of idea what kind of data we can gather in order to make the system even better. Also, we want to communicate it in order to the surgeon to communicate with other surgeons live or doing proctoring. And our goal is how we can even make the OR in the hospital more efficient. Just a very brief, we already have algorithm that we are recognizing our tools, we are recognizing other companies' tools. So this is a real video that you can see in a gallbladder procedure. So we are doing progress in our, what we call the next phase of our company. The market is huge. We will start with bariatrics. We know that is our beachhead. Then we want to move to general procedures, colorectal, and then go into thorax and GYN and urology. The business model is also very simple. It's selling the disposables, charging for the robot and for the service, and we know that it's a multi-billion opportunity. So why will be successful? Because we have a very good team, that we have very good advisors. We have a proven capability to adapt fast. We pass a de novo. We survive COVID, even we developed the robot. And we are totally convinced that this approach that is different than anybody else is doing, it will be a game changer for a huge market that is high volume GI surgery. So thank you very much. Happy to talk with anybody. We can give more details of what we have learned and what are our plans. And thank you.